Hello, welcome to Korean Learning Freak. Today we are gonna complete these sample sentences for nobody, nothing, nowhere. This is part two of anybody, anywhere, anything. The first part will be in the description, so please go through that. So let me just give a quick review. Anybody, amuna. Anything, amugona. Anywhere, amudena. Nobody, amudo. Nothing, amugotto. Nowhere, amudedo. Nobody, amudo. So for this, the sample sentence would be 아무도 안 왔어요. 아무도 안 왔어요. So the literal translation of this, if you just understand it, you can just try to translate this. 아무도. 아무도 means nobody or no one. No one 안 왔어요. Did not came. No one did not came. The literal translation is that only. But here the thing is for the all the negative words like this, nobody, no one, nowhere, all these words you have to use the opposite verb only. So this means nobody came. 아무도 안 왔어요. 아무도 안 왔어요. So you have to remember that and you have to make sentences like this only. This is the thing you have to just remember and follow. This is the rule. Okay. Then 아무도 몰라요. 아무도 몰라요. Nobody knows. Here the nobody knows. 아무도 알아요 is very wrong. 아무도 알아요 is completely wrong. That has no sense in Korean. So you just have to say 아무도 몰라요. Nobody knows. Next one is nothing. 아무것도. 아무것도 없어요. 아무것도 없어요. Nothing is there. There is nothing. 아무것도 없어요. 아무것도 몰라요. 아무것도 몰라요. I know nothing. I don't know anything. If someone asks you about something, you can just say I don't know anything or I know nothing. You can just say 아무것도 몰라요. 그거 대해 아무것도 몰라요. I don't know nothing about it. I know nothing about it. You can just say like that. 아무것도 없어요. 아무것도 몰라요. Just the remember thing that you have to use opposite verb for all these nothing, nowhere, negative sentences. That's it. Just you have to remember very well that. At first I also confused very well about this and then I got used to it. Just make so many sentences and try to practice with your friends and try to chat with your friends. Then only you will get fluent. Then nowhere. 아무데도. 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 아무데도 안 갈 거예요. 아무데도 안 갈 거예요. I'm not going anywhere. Sorry, there is a mistake. So, okay. I'm going nowhere. 아무데도 안 갈 거예요. That means I'm going nowhere. I'm not going anywhere. You can also say like that also. I'm not going anywhere or I am going nowhere. 아무데도 안 갈 거예요. 아무데도 갈 데가 없어요. 아무데도 갈 데가 없어요. So that means I have nowhere else to go. If you go to your friend and say something or ask something, then don't you have anywhere to go? Then you also like you can answer like this. I have nowhere else to go. I have only you. You can answer like this also. 아무데도 갈 데가 없어요. 아무데도 갈 데가 없어요. So this is what the basic bonus that I have told you in the first part. So I'm going to explain 아무 때나. 아무 때나 is anytime. 아무 때나. 아무 때나 좋아요. 아무 때나 좋아요. Anytime is good. Anytime is good. If someone asks you how would you prefer morning or evening or something, if they ask like that, then you can answer Amutena chuvayo. Anytime is good, anytime I can come, anytime is fine for me. Amutena also issoyo. Amutena also issoyo. You can come anytime. Or here in this subject, as there is no subject, you can place anyone. They can come anytime. If someone asks you about your friends and they are going to visit your house, then your mom asks like when they are going to come, then they can come anytime. Amutena also is soyo. They're already on the way, so they can come anytime. You can just say Amutena also is soyo. Amutena chuayo. Amutena also is soyo. Here you can't use the word though for any time, no time. There will be no time doesn't make sense in Korean, though that is amude though doesn't mean nothing anmat. So that means no time, that doesn't make any sense in Korean language. So that's why they have the word cholte, never is used. Then amumal. Amumal is any word. So example is Amu marina chum hebayo. Amu marina chum hebayo. Try say something. If someone is very quiet, you can just say that Amu marina chum hebayo. Please try to say something. Please speak. So like that, don't be quiet. You can say like this also. Then Amu maldu hachimayo. Amu maldu hachimayo. Amu maldu hachimayo. It's an angry version. So if you are in a fight or some fight with your friend and you just don't want to listen him, not any word. You just say, don't say any word, just stop. Then you can say Amu maldu hachimayo. Got it? So these are the bonus that I have told in the first part, and the next one will be how to say something, someone, somewhere, someday in Korean language. So let's meet in next lesson. Bye. Thank you. 감사합니다.